Oh, do we have a fun one here today. 2023 BMW 430i XDRIVE. And look at that color. This thing is just gorgeous. 430i XDRIVE. This is the all-wheel drive model. We have the M Sport package on it too. So you get these gorgeous gloss black M wheels with those blue M calipers in there, wrapped in a really good set of Pirelli tires as well. And then that front end, I love the way these new front ends look with the LED headlights, with kind of the black housing there. Just has a really nice look. This is a 2023, really good shape. I'm not seeing hardly any chips on the front bumper. There might be one somewhere. Really clean. Another look at those really good Pirelli tires. I love the blue brake calipers in there. Sight down the passenger side. I'm not seeing any dings. I would open the door to give you a look inside, but we can just look over because we have a... Oh, it's unlocked already. I was just saying we don't even have to open the door because we got a convertible. Oh. Kyle's running to unlock the door for me, but it was unlocked already. Oh. We don't quite have to though with a convertible. I love the black interior with the blue M stitching. Get all that fun stuff with the M Sport package, and then get this really cool looking trim as well. See, we have the Harman Kardon sound system. Then we'll show you what it looks like with the top up as well. I'll hand the camera here to Kyle. I'll hop in. And then one switch to put the top up. It's just gonna do its thing. Really, really quick. Wow. You can do this at a stoplight. Maybe even a stop sign if you sit for maybe a second. And this is not the soft top of your 90s BMWs. These are insulated for noise and for temperature. Glass back window, super quiet inside of the car. And that top is in really good shape, as it should be with this being a 2023. Give you just a walk around of what the car looks like with the top up. Just love the exterior color on this. Has a really nice look. But let's hop in and take it for a spin. And you might have seen it already, but they actually hand the seatbelt to you because it's a two-door, so they're a little ways back. So they have these little things that come and hand you the seatbelt, make it nice and easy to get buckled up. 32,000 miles, there's 32,676 miles, push button start, fires right up. BMW's new digital splash there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really nice backup camera here. See that good looking X5 behind us that we just got in as well. Pop this open, we have wireless charging pad in there, plenty of USB ports, heated seats, heated steering wheel. We'll take this around the block. I see we have the Harman Kardon sound system. We'll see if there's anything on the radio here today. Really nice sound system. It's being a 2023, you still get all your driver assists. We have blind spot monitoring. We'll click this here and see what we all have in this one. Blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning. It's really quiet in here. It's a windy day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and it is Nice and quiet in here. This is just a car that'll put a smile on your face. It's a really nice place to be. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really nice navigation screen. There's 50, 55, 60 miles an hour like it's nothing. Straight and true down the road. Nice and quiet. Again, not the thin convertible tops of the late 90s, early 2000s. Really nice place to be. 2023 BMW 430i M Sport. Tons of options. Give us a call. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states, so if you are not in the eastern Iowa area and this is the car for you, give us a call. We can ship it right to your driveway. Or if you're local here in the Midwest, stop on by and take a look at the sweet car for yourself. It's a nice one. I don't think it's going to last long here. This springtime, early summer weather. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.